Sekuphele izinsuku ezili13 Arthur Fraser avulela umengameli uRamaphosa icala esiteshini samaphoyisa aseRosebank. Amaphoyisa athi lolu daba lwadluliselwa ophikweni amaHawks ngesonto eledlule. Okhulumela iNPA uMthunzi Mhaga uthi lolu phiko alikaze lithole idokodo laleli cala futhi abalazi nokuthi likuphi leli cala. Umhlaziyi wezombusazwe uAubrey Majiqi uthi lokho akumangazi nakancane.
A construct, Cyril Ramaphosa, was created in part by certain sections of the media and certain sections of civil society. According to this construct, Cyril Ramaphosa is an angel we must view in contradistinction to this devil, former President Jacob Zuma. So to the extent that Jacob Zuma became a metaphor for all things corrupt and venal in South Africa, the antithesis is Cyril Ramaphosa, the angel.
Uphiko lwamaHawks luthi lisematasa ngophenyo lokuqala kepha uMajiqi uthi uma kubhekwa ukuyiphatha kweNPA kule minyaka engama-20 edlule kuyobe kuyifiso nje kuphela ukucabanga ukuthi lolu phiko luzoyimisela kuleli cala.
If you look at the NPA from that period, for me, two things have happened to the NPA. Firstly, there has been political interference. But secondly, there have been times when the NPA, without any political interference, has anticipated the wishes of those in power.
Ngesonto eledlule umengameli uRamaphosa wathi uzokwehla esikhundleni uma eke wathweswa amacala.
If I were to be charged, yes, the processes in the governing party have to unfold in the ANC. As you well know, I have offered to go myself on a voluntary basis to the Integrity Commission, and I will be seeing them. The date is yet to be set.
Kubonakala sengathi umdonsiswano kaFraser nomengameli uRamaphosa usazoba sematheni kule inyanga eyizayo njengoba iqembu elibusayo libheke engqungqutheleni yokukhetha ubuholi beqembu emqoka ngoZibandlela.